All right, hi everybody. We might have a few more people showing up during the lesson, but we're just going to start right now. There are two materials that you should have. You should have some math problems. I printed mine out small, yours might look bigger. And you should have a worksheet that has the golden beads on it. So I have the real golden beads right here, but you should have a worksheet that also has the golden beads on it. Okay? And on the instructions, I asked for you to cut it out so that you had lots of golden beads to practice with. So if you have all of the materials, give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready. All right, it looks like everybody's ready. I'm going to share my screen. And we're going to choose the first math problem. So we're going to choose the one that says 1,000, 500, 110, and 6 ones, plus 7,000, 500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones. So once you have those, once you have that math problem and you're all ready, let's keep going. And we're going to look. I have some beads on my computer that we're going to use. So the first thing we're going to do is form our first number. Caroline, how many ones do we have in our first number?
In the first number?
1.
We're looking at 1,500, 110, and 6 ones. How many ones do we have in that number?
1,000, 100.
1,000.
Wait, try 1,000, 100, 10, 1.
We have 1,500s, 110, and 6 ones. Let's see if I can write it up here so that everybody can see it at the same time as me. All right. So that's our math problem that we're doing right now. So let's see. Caroline, can you look at the math problem and tell me how many ones I have in the first number?
6.
6, thank you. So let's get 6 ones and put them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and let's see, Katie, how many 10s do I have in the first number? Right here.
15.
Well, what's this number right here?
16.
Is this a 1 or 2 or 3? How many 10s do I have?
5.
Right here.
6.
Nope, the number that is right by my mouse.
1.
1. We have 110. So let's get out 110 bead right here. 110 bead. So go ahead and get out 6 of your 1 beads and 110 bead.
Miss Roman.
She doesn't hear
Yes.
you, baby. Oh,
I made a Lego Olaf.
Wow, well, let's focus on our work first,
finished.
okay? Thank you for showing me, Finley. Let's focus on our work so we can do the work together. And then we can show off the Lego at the end. Hi, Grace.
I first made a watch on the computer because my mom is not done cutting it.
Okay, well, let's see. How many 100s do I need for the first number?
1.
Well, how many? We have 1 1,000, 5 100s, 110, and 6 ones. So how many 100s do I need?
5.
5 100s. So if you have your materials, go ahead and get out 5 100s. Then, hi Jaya. Finley, can you help me and tell me how many 1000s I need?
Thousands. How many 1000s?
5.
She's pointing.
We have 1 1000, 5 100s, 1 10, and 6 ones. How many 1000s do we need?
1.
1. Thank you, Finley. So we're going to get out 1 1000. I'm going to draw a line underneath so that you can see, just like in the classroom, we would have 2 different trays. I'm going to draw a line so it's like I have 2 different trays. So I can build the next number underneath. So we finished building our first number. For those of you who are joining us, we're doing the first math problem on the worksheet. 1,000, 500s, 1 10, and 6 ones plus 7,000s, 500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones. So that's the math problem we're doing. Now that we formed the top number, we're going to form the bottom number, 7,000s, 500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones. I'm going to give you a moment to form it by yourself, and then we're going to together make it on the computer screen. Make sure you look at the bottom number, and we'll start with the ones. Jaya, how many ones do we need on the bottom number?
3.
Do you see right here where my mouse is? How many ones do we need?
2.
Right here. What number is this? We have 7,000s, 500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones.
Okay, hold on.
I think I'm going to start with 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alicia, can you tell me how many 10s I need on the bottom number?
Well, I haven't did mine.
You don't need a
That's
printout.
okay. You can still just look at the
Don't need
computer
this.
and we'll do it together.
Number 10.
We're making the
2.
bottom 2. Yeah, we're making the bottom number 7,000s, 500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones. So let's all get out 2 10s. Thank you, Alicia. Let's see, Big Grace, can you tell me how many 100s I need in the bottom number?
5.
5, thank you. I see Caroline has been working really hard on hers. I see all of hers laid out. And everybody's looking down at their papers. You guys are working so hard. And let's see, Katie, can you tell me how many 1000s I need?
7.
7 1000s, whoa, that's a lot of 1000s. Let's see if we can fit them all. 4, 5, 6, 7. So now that we formed it, we get to do the part that's the most fun. This is my favorite part. In school, we have a basket that we use. In school, we use a basket, but here, just mix all of your things up, put them all next to each other, mix it all up. Have as much fun as you want. You can mix them up with other ones. Just see if you can mix them up and put them together. All right, give me a thumbs up when you've mixed up all of your numbers. This is the really fun part, mixing it all up. Because we added, right? When we add things together, we take two different numbers and we mash it all together to make a new number. So now we're going to count. So now that you mix it all up, see if you can put it together. Put all of the numbers that are like each other together so we can count them all. So you had your fun, you mixed it all up. Now we're gonna put all of the numbers, all of the beads that match next to each other so that we can count them all. All right. Raise your hand if you'd like to help me count the ones. Katie, can you help me count the ones?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop, we got to 10. Oh no. What do we do when we get to 10? Alicia, can you tell me what we do when we get to 10?
Take away 10.
We take the 10 away and what do we have to get out?
100 bead.
Well, we have 10 ones. So do we have to get out a 10 bead?
Yeah.
Yeah, so everybody, we got 10 ones. So let's put them away. We don't need them anymore. And let's get out a 1 10 bead. If you remember, 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So let's see. Jaya, how many ones do I have now that I put them all away?
1,
No,
2,
how many ones do I have?
3,
Do I have any? Or did I put them all away?
4.
Do you see any here where the mouse is? Are there any?
No.
No, so I have 0 ones. I put them all away. All right. 0 ones. That means I'm all done. I don't have to keep counting them. Let's see. Finley, can you help me count the 10s?
Finley, the teacher's talking to you.
What?
Can you help me count the 10s, please, Finley? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 10s. Did I get to 10, Finley?
No.
So am I all done counting the 10s?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to write 4 underneath. And this will be when we write our whole answer. Caroline, can you help me count the 100s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh no, I got to 10 100s. What does that mean?
We need to take them away.
So I have to take all of the 100s away. I have to take 10 100s away and get out 1 1000, right? Okay, so let's, together with your beads, let's count 10 100s and put them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, Big Grace, what did I forget to do?
Take a 1,000.
Take a 1,000. Thank you for reminding me. Let's take a 1,000 and add it to our 1,000s. Okay. Alicia, how many 100s do I have left?
0.
0. Alicia, can you help me count my 1,000s? 1,
1,
2.
10.
Let's count them again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can we count them one more time, slowly, together?
Yeah.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
stop. Do we have another one to count?
I think you forgot one. You skipped one.
Should we try one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, 1,
1,
2.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, is there one underneath to count?
No.
No, so 4, so let's go back to the top. 5,
6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 of them. So we have 9?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you, Alicia. Is that more than 10?
Yeah. No.
Nope, so we're all done. So we write 9. So our answer that we'll write on our papers is that 1,500s, 1, 6, and 10 ones plus 7,500s, 2 10s, and 4 ones is 9,000s, 0 100s, 4 10s, and 0 ones. So that's what I'm going to write as my answer. So when we go back to our math problem worksheet, when I go back to my math problem worksheet, I'm going to write it like this. When you finish writing down your answers, give me a thumbs up so I know you're ready to move on. So our next math problem, if you can find it, if it's on the paper, it's really easy. It's right underneath. 3,000s, 500s, 8 10s, and 7 ones, plus 1,800s, 5 10s, and 8 ones. Can you find this math problem on your paper? It's right underneath of the one we did before. I'm going to write it up here. So maybe I can make it a bit bigger. We have 3,000s, 500s, 8 10s, and 7 ones, plus 1,800s, 5 10s, and 8 ones. We're gonna see what number that makes. So I'm gonna clear my beads. I'm gonna put them all away so I can have fresh ones to start. Okay. Caroline, I see you already cleared all your beads up. In our first number, 3,000s, 500s, 8 10s, and 7 ones, how many ones do we have?
7.
7. Everybody, let's get out 7 ones. Evelyn, would you like to help me count some, or do you like just watching? It's okay to just watch. All right. Katie, how many 10s do I need? I have 3,000s, 500s, 8 10s, and 7 ones. How many 10s do I need?
8.
8. Thank you. Everybody, let's get out 8 10s. All right, I'm going to keep building the first number while you build yours. I have 500s next, so I'm going to get out 5 100s. And 3 1000s. Once you finish building your first number, go ahead and look at your camera so I know you're ready to keep going. I built mine on the screen, so if you have any questions, you can just look up and see what mine looks like. Or you can raise your hand and I can answer your question. Finley, can you help and tell me how many ones I need for my second number? 1,000, 800s, 5 10s, and 8 ones. How many do I need, Finley?
Ones. Pay attention. How many ones? How many ones?
8.
8. Thank you for your help, Finley. I'm starting on the second number, so I'm getting out 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Jaya, how many 10s do I need? 1,000, 800s, 5 10s, and 8 ones. You can look at the screen and see which one I'm pointing at. How many 10s do I need?
5.
5. Thank you, Jaya. Let's all get out 5 10s. All right, you can finish making this number by yourself or you can watch on the screen. I'm going to start by getting out 8 100s. And 1 1000. When you finished forming your number, remember we get to do the really, really fun part where we put all of them together. You can mix them up and then put them all together and see what happens. It's a lot of beads, isn't it? Let's see. Big Grace, can you help me count the ones, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I have to stop,
Yeah.
right? If I get to 10, I have to stop and I have to take 10 beads away. So let's take 10 beads away. 1, 2,
And now get
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do I have to do next, Grace? I took 10 beads, so 10 ones away. So what do I have to get out?
110.
110. Grace, can you help me finish counting these beads?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is that more than 10?
No.
So I'm all done. Katie, can you help me count the 10s, please?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, I have to stop. I got to 10. I have to take away 10 beads now. Everybody, let's take away 10 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Katie, how many beads do I have left?
4.
4, is that more than 10?
No.
Nope, so I'm all done. Caroline, can you help me count the 100s? I think I forgot a step, didn't I? I didn't get out a new 100. All right, Caroline, can you help me count the 100s?
Mhm.
Okay, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I have to stop. Caroline, after I put away my 10 100s, what do I have to do?
You have to get 1,000.
I have to get 1,000, so let's take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I get out a 1,000. Caroline, how many 100s do I have left?
4.
4, is that more than 10? Nope. So I'm finished with that part. And let's see, Alicia, can you help me count my 1,000s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 5, is that more than 10?
No.
Nope. So I'm all done. Now I can write my answer down. So I have 5 1,000s, 4 100s, 4 10s, and 5 1s. And that's my answer. So go ahead and write that down on your paper. When you're all done, your number should be in these boxes. All right, friends, I had a lot of fun doing dynamic addition with you today. You can keep doing the math problems if you want, because you have more math problems and you have your beads at home. Bye, everybody.